Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for John in South Carolina on the Ranger RCI-2995DX CF. John, get it ready to go for you, bud. Our standard tune alignment per your order. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. I got you set up about 4.5 watts, that way if you're going to run an amp you got enough adjustability there. 40 watts all the way up. Let's talk about average power swing. Low, about 64 bird average. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2. Hello. 150 watts. Roll it down. Hello. Still 150 watts. We're at a sideband, so your max power on sideband. Hello. 150 watts. Alright, John, it's ready to come to you, man. I hope you enjoy it. We'll get that static 636 mic through in there for you too, and you'll be good to go. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.